Wait, comms for a second? Wait.
He ran up. Oh god.
Oh. He's literally
He has
there,
a fucking
shooting through the wall,
PPSA.
through the tip of the roof.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay, okay. He's outside. He's dead.
He's
Look
gonna
at
put my brains
the
out.
dongle. Yeah, he's gonna fuck you.
I'm gonna kill him.
Alright guys, can we stop talking about cum? You know, stop that.
Stay focused.
My bad. Stay focused. You
Let's
guys
go
wanna
med.
go
Let's
kill
go med and
Gular?
then go upstairs.
Oh god, you scared the fuck out of me.
I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm tired. Bro, look
What?
how much
What? We're going
damage I did.
Yeah, test the 1 2 1 2. There's a little something for you, little biatch.
Watch my knife and let me go. Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world.
Are you below? Ben, where you at? I don't know where you at.
I'm blue,
Yo, what up, gang? Heavy? Yeah. Wait, fuck, no, I don't. Here, I got this.
It's okay, I'm past that.
Here, no, it's okay. It's an easier way out if you want to do that. It's up to you, man. Take it easy.
Where are you at?
He's actually good at this. Oh my god, he actually did it.
Wait, he just fucking killed himself?
Maybe bro, that didn't show it. Grenade launcher, get down!
Enemy spotted.
Oh, it's
Alt DA.
D.
Alt DA.
That was him. Get him. He's dead.
There's two. I'm gonna close the door behind us.
They're winning shot of the two guys, mate. They're right above. Oh god.
Hey, go behind you. There's a staircase. Oh, wait, there's somebody.
Yeah, he's right above us.
Oh, I ran to ammo. The lobby. On me. Got one.
Fuck him up. Fuck him up,
Dead. He's dead. He's the one up top. Heavy.
Damn, his gun's cracked. His gun's cracked. Oh yeah. This gun's amazing. Run.
They might. It's be good for them to run because it'll take so long.
Oh, that's I'm dead.
What?
Landed right on top of me, dude. What a fuck.